Hey everyone, this is Aussie Steve from Buyer Louisiana. I'm just here at this house we just purchased in Jefferson Parish. Look, I've got my corona mask on. I will usually take it off to film a video, but in this case it actually serves two purposes. The house had a lot of animals in it, and there's a really strong smell, so masks can sometimes come in handy for these things. I'll show you this property we're purchasing. As we say, we buy properties in as-is condition. So we're happy. This house, has some issues, and most of this stuff is actually staying behind. So we'll donate what we can to charity and put the rest in dumpsters. But look, yeah, the house had a lot of animals, so it gives it the smell. It's very scuffed up. The floors are not good. The house definitely has a lot of issues. Unfortunately, the couple got divorced, and it hasn't really been looked after, and they're both moving on. I think one or the other didn't want to look after the house. So you see the floors. Do not open that fridge. I will not open that fridge. There's stuff inside that's going to have to go. You can see there's a lot of animals in the house, and it's caused issue. There was something that happened up on the roof, so water's come in and created damage. So yeah, look, this house needs a lot of work, but that's okay. We do that. We'll do the work. I mean, this is in Kenner, a nice area in Jefferson Parish. So look, it's the sort of house that we can do up, and a homeowner's really going to appreciate that. So if you have a house you're looking to sell, it doesn't need to be in as bad condition as this. We don't mind buying them a bit better, but look, we don't mind if it's in this condition or worse. We're happy to put in the work, use our expertise, our money, our time to fix up these houses and get them ready for a new homeowner or a tenant. So look, guys, if you want to discuss your house and your situation, give us a call or visit our website at homebuyerlouisiana.com, and we'd love to chat to you. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.